want to be quiet so you guys can hear me.
Jeremy. Oh my gosh.
That was absolutely terrible.
Okay, that was so
That's great, Grandma.
That was fine, okay?
Look at me.
Let's go fishing. Let's go.
Go, Crystal. Justin, who invited you?
Sorry.
Okay, get it out.
We're not gonna finish.
Crystal's gonna win.
Oh boy.
I need a drink.
Should we do it again, or?
Stop looking like a fish.
That was like the practice.
Wait, Crystal didn't do one.
Yes, she did.
Crystal, we haven't heard yours.
That was nasty. Oh, that was gross.
That was real ladylike. Yeah,
My dad who said I'd never eat a man.
do it again, Crystal.
Can we do one more? Yeah, we'll do one more. Best out of 3.
You're not.
That was the best part, Lionel. No, Ready?
Ready?
That was airy.
I was like,